Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change the name of your Google website in 2025. I will also show you how you can change the site's title and web address if needed. So whether you are rebranding or just fixing a typo, this particular quick guide has you covered. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for Google Sites. Now, once you are here on your Google Sites, simply click on the website if you already have created it. If you want to change it, I'm assuming that you want to just have already the website available. Now, after clicking on the website, it should look something like this. Over here in the top left hand corner of the screen, you will be able to see the existing name of your website. This is my portfolio that is written over here. So if you want to change it, you just have to simply press backspace on your keyboard and then type the new name over here. You can also type the new name here in the top left hand corner. Make sure that you change over here both. Now click on the publish option in the top right hand corner of the screen, then click on the publish option. Now if I refresh this page, you can see I have successfully changed the name of my website. If you want to change the URL of your website, you can also do it by going to the settings icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen, then go to the custom domain. If you have a domain, you can simply add it over here and then you will be able to basically change the URL. It will come like your own domain, not the site.google.com. But if you want to keep on using site.google.com, you won't be able to change it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question regarding this tutorial or if you want me to create a tutorial on any other topics, you can just let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.